All right, let's talk about something that's probably on your mind. You ever get that feeling you're playing catch-up, wondering if your competitors have some kind of secret weapon? Well, more and more, that secret weapon is AI. Today, we're going to flip that script and turn your uncertainty into a massive strategic advantage.
I mean, this is the question, right? It's the kind of thing that might keep you up at night. Are they moving faster? Serving customers better? Are they just more efficient because they've cracked the AI code? It's a totally valid concern, and we are going to tackle it head on.
But here's the best part. You don't need to be some kind of corporate spy to figure this all out. If your competitors are using AI in any meaningful way, trust me, they're leaving a trail of clues out in the open. Your job is just to become a master at spotting them.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll get our mindset right with the AI recon mission. Then, we'll get our hands dirty gathering all those public clues. After that, we'll organize everything and map the battlefield to see where everyone really stands. And finally, the most important part, we'll find your winning move. So let's get started.
Okay, first things first, let's frame this the right way. This is not about freaking out or just blindly copying what the other guy's doing. No way. This is about developing sharp, strategic awareness so you can make smarter, more informed decisions for your own business.
All right, now for the fun part. How do you actually spot AI in action? We're about to go on a little hunt for the telltale signs that are, believe it or not, hiding in plain sight.
We're going to focus our detective work on 5 key areas where the clues are just screaming at you. We'll start with the stuff customers see directly, their operations, their content. Then we'll zoom out and look at the results, like their efficiency. And finally, we'll look at the biggest tells of all, who they're hiring and what they're bragging about.
So, think about this for a second. Have you noticed their customer support chatbot is suddenly smart? Like it actually remembers your last conversation? Or maybe you get these marketing emails that are just eerily relevant to what you were just browsing. That's not a coincidence. That's almost certainly an AI personalization engine working behind the scenes.
And what about their blog or their social media? Let's say a smaller competitor suddenly starts pumping out high-quality articles every single day with amazing, consistent graphics. I mean, come on. That kind of scale is incredibly difficult for a small human team to pull off. It's a classic hallmark of AI-assisted content creation.
You can't exactly peek inside their warehouse, right? But you can absolutely see the results. Are their prices on their website changing all the time based on demand? That's dynamic pricing, usually driven by AI. Or do they always seem to have that popular item in stock when everyone else is sold out? That points to some seriously sophisticated AI doing their demand forecasting.
Now, this is a huge signal, and one that most people miss. Look, a single job post for an AI specialist might just be an experiment, but when you see them hire a VP of AI, whoa, that is not just a tech investment. That is a gigantic signal that they see AI as a core piece of their entire business strategy. They're going all in.
Okay, but let's hit the pause button for a quick reality check. Not every single improvement is AI. Better service could just mean better training. The key thing you're looking for is a step change, a massive leap in scale or speed. Just ask yourself this: would this normally require hiring 10 more people to pull off? If the answer is yes, but their team size hasn't changed, you're probably looking at AI.
Okay, so you've gathered all these little clues. Now it's time to put the puzzle together. Let's move on to mapping the battlefield, where we're going to turn all these signals into one clear strategic picture.
And the best tool for this job is something called the AI Maturity Matrix. It's really just a simple but super powerful way to grade yourself and your competitors on a scale from 0, which is totally manual, to 3, which is advanced AI, across all the different parts of the business.
And here's what it looks like in action. I mean, just look at this. You can see at a glance where you might be lagging. Like here, where competitor B is killing it in customer service and content. But, and this is crucial, you also see where the entire market is weak. See that forecasting row? Almost everyone is at a 0. That gap isn't just a blank space. It is a wide open opportunity for you to dominate.
But hold on. Having a cool map isn't the end of the story. Just because a competitor is throwing money at some fancy AI doesn't mean it's something customers actually care about. So how do you separate the genuinely smart moves from the noise?
You run everything through what I call the customer value test. For any AI they're using, you ask 3 simple but deadly effective questions. 1. Does this actually make the customer's life better? 2. Is it a real differentiator or is everybody doing it? And 3, the big one, is this advantage sustainable or could you copy it tomorrow?
And this brings us to our final and honestly most important section, taking all this awesome analysis and turning it into a real plan of action. It's time to find your winning move. This is where the strategy really comes alive. Look back at your matrix. First, find that green field area, the spot where all your competitors are weak. Next, look in the mirror. Where do you already have a unique strength, even if it's all manual today? The intersection of those two things, their weakness and your strength, that's your opportunity zone. This isn't about catching up, it's about finding the perfect spot to leapfrog everybody.
And this whole framework helps you avoid the biggest trap of all, AI for AI's sake. If your competitor uses AI to make their accounting department 10% more efficient and customers never see or feel it, who cares? But if they use AI to offer 24/7 expert support that starts stealing your clients, well, that's a competitive necessity. You have to respond.
Ultimately, everything, and I mean everything, boils down to this. Before you spend a single dime on an AI project, just ask these two questions. Will customers actually prefer us more if we do this? And will it drive measurable business value? If the answer to both isn't a loud, obvious yes, then it's a distraction, plain and simple.
So we've covered a ton here, from spotting the clues to building your strategic map. You now have the complete framework to turn their AI strategy into your competitive advantage. The only question left is, what's your first move going to be?